Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph, and today I'm going to show you a simple way to frame a picture. Recently I was in Orlando at a store called Freehand Goods, and they had this awesome picture by a local artist that I bought, and I wanted a simple way to frame it. So about a week later I was in the try-on room at REI, and they had these really simple framed pictures, and they look so cool that I used them as inspiration for these right here. So come join me as I show you how easy this is to do. Now this is a great project because all you really need is some scrap plywood or any kind of wood that you might have that will fit your picture. So I went through our pile to see what might work. And here are the materials I'm going to use to frame this first picture. Some upholstery tacks, a hammer, some banister guard, which I'll talk about in a second, and some sawtooth hangers to just hang this wood on the wall. You can see the back of this wood has a hole in it where we did a test cut, which is fine for this kind of project because we're not going to see it. I played around with the location of the picture on the wood and decided to have it a little off center. And then I just used some sticky dots to attach the picture to the wood. And I did want to protect the front of this picture a little bit because it is a nice picture, so I decided to use a thin plexi that I've had for a while. This is actually called a banister guard, and you'd use it on a banister to protect children for getting their heads through a banister, I believe. But I got this a while back for another project, and it actually is perfect for this. And to attach it, I'm just going to use upholstery tacks, and it worked perfect. I really like the look of the tacks, so I put them in a couple different locations. And it holds the plexi nice in place. And for the back, I'm just going to attach a sawtooth hanger so that I can attach it to the wall very easily. Now this one's done, but I have another item that I wanted to hang, and this is actually a big poster that has all the state parks on it that I got at REI. And I wanted to be able to display this, but also be able to put little check marks when I go to a new state park. This is a big picture, so I didn't have wood that would fit it, but I did have a longer piece of wood that I could cut up in 3 sections, glue those together, and then I could use that as the back for this. I easily cut it on the track saw, figured out the sizing, cut one of the pieces of wood down, and then glued it and clamped it together, waiting for it to dry. Since this wood was a little bit heavier, I decided to add 2 hangers to the side and then picture wire in the middle to attach it to the wall. And I just used 4 upholstery tacks to attach the poster to the wood. Now I like the natural look of the wood, but you could really use any wood. You could paint this, you could put a finish on it, whatever you want, but I really like just the natural grain of the wood. So I got these 2 hung up in my office, and I had a couple other things that I thought about framing, so I decided to add those on. This is actually a record inside of this case, and I really like the look of it, and so I just wanted to display this on the wall. I followed the same process and hung it up. And then my nephew a year ago made a very cute drawing of me, because I do love kayaking, and I laminated it, and so all I did was get a piece of wood and put tacks around it to attach it, and now I have 4 wonderful pictures that I'll probably add some more to in the future, but it was so simple to do this, and I was able to use scrap wood. And if you don't have scrap wood, there is project panel size wood in hardware stores, which is a nice way to get smaller dimensions of wood without having to buy a full 4x8 sheet of plywood. And here it is, all done. I love the look of this in my office, and I do think this is a nice modern take on a frame, and it's just so simple. So let me know, is this something that you would do to frame some of your pictures? What do you think of the plexiglass versus not? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for joining. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com.